scared the out of me. I don't care about the profanity law on YouTube. That's got a car. They got. This is a little scary, man. Like, some urgency, like, get that. Guess we got a little too close. That must be military. Oh, you know what? That's probably why they told us to get away. Yeah. That would be my guess. Savior, baby! Bob, we just got sirened at Area 51. The greatest intro in the history of YouTube? Yup. Pavement to the dirt, skinny dip in a street. Whoa, I'm gonna find a pretty girl, tell her that I love her. Hello everybody, I'm Brian. Welcome to another edition of One Take Sunday. Ooh, we got an episode for you today, or tonight, whatever time zone you're watching in. First, I'd like to announce the winner of the secret $1 million prize. That's right. I asked for comments at the end of last episode to guess where today's episode was going, and I'd like to announce the winner of that $1 million. Drumble please. East Carson, Cleotis. Checks in the mail, baby. Love you. Okay. Well, we got into Valley of Fire rather late due to our Area 51 adventures. Rolled in about a little before 7 p.m., a little before sunset. Thought it was going to be a perfect sunset situation, but unfortunately the clouds were in, so however, still looks good. Why don't we get to the Valley of Fire now? Oh my God. Valley of Fire. We have just entered the state park, and I cannot believe what I am seeing. I hope the camera does us justice, even a little bit. Wow. Wow. The red is just... So the campground is full, which is not good for us. First come, first serve. And oh wow, we do not have a place to camp here tonight. So I do not know what we're going to do, but we'll figure it out. We will figure it out.
I don't know if you'll find one because it fills up. But the other campground over there, yeah. If you go to the very upper end of it, there might be a car or two parked. There's a bathroom at the top, okay. And off to the right, there's like a little round parking area. It's gravel, okay. And there's a walk-in. There's 3 walk-in signs, okay. There's 1 that way and 2 that way. And you only have to walk about about from here to that black truck.
Like 20, 30 yards.
They're not far at all. So if you can't find some, go check that out.
Thank you so much. That just saved our night.
Hey, Bob. I literally just walked back to my bike. Hi there, how you doing? Hi. Oh, it's gorgeous. Oh, there's no camps here.
Yeah, we just circled. There's only 2, right?
Yeah.
You know if there's any other campgrounds in the park?
I don't know. Let's see what we can do at this spot, and if this fails, then we're gonna have to reassess our sleeping situation tonight. So what we need to do is we'll go out and we'll just circle back. Oh, well, let's see if we can see other spots, other opportunities. You know, just a spot where something like in between camps, or okay, well, like there's a pad. They're sleeping in their RV. So all these RVs aren't going to be using the pad. But there's one where the pad was in between 2 RVs, so it's not really like on their territory.
Where did you ride from today?
Before we came through it.
Don and Karen, thank you so much for letting us use the pad below your RV there. We are in such gratitude forever for you and the kindness that you've shown us and the conversations we had. Thank you. You are incredible people. We hope to see you again and pay back such a tremendous favor.
So Bob, up there is the Petroglyphs. The Petroglyphs are up there. I'd really like to take a look at that.
I don't have a right lens for this. How did they get up there, Bob?
Stood on each other's shoulders.
Is that a ladder to this rock? That looks like a ladder to this rock.
It's a spaceship dropping a ladder.
You know, I just want to say that today, going to Area 51, Valley of Fire, it's been one of the most amazing days of my life. Just such an incredible epic journey. I'm so glad that you are here for me with it.
That way? I think we go to the left. Go to the left here. We're gonna go up over there. We're gonna go look around a bit, then hike, go to Fire Wave Rock, which should be pretty cool. Then later, we got a poker tournament to go to. The poker tournament was the genesis of this trip. I was gonna ride out by myself to meet my buddy Chris. Big shout out to my poker fam. Trisha, Stan, Chris, Ace, you crazy son of a bee. Andy, Tom, and my dear friend Ryan, who we really loved on Stars. Poker Stars passed away recently from cancer. I never got to meet him in person, and I never got to meet any of the other person, but I'm meeting Chris today, 52. Play cards with 52. First time I've ever met somebody off Poker Stars. Looking forward to that. But Ryan, I miss Ryan. Ryan, buddy, I'm sorry I never got to meet you. But we formed a relationship online. It's a real sweet man. Very sweet, cool dude. On these poker websites and in life, I will add. Or even just, keyboard warriors too. Get these a-holes that yell and are mean to people. And even Ryan got bullied, but he's such a sweetheart to every person who was online too. Jerk bullied him online. And, hey, I'm not gonna lie, I can be an a-hole online too, but that's kind of like me riding with shorts. It's 1% of the time, 2% of the time. And Ryan was pretty sweet about 100% of the time.
Yeah, so a little bit about Ryan. Turns out his friend Elliot came online and said Ryan left a letter for me before he passed away. And Elliot thinks he probably left me something because he wrote letters to, he was apparently very well off, and left letters to other people too, and left them something. And while leaving them something or not, the letter of somebody writing you before they pass away is, it's pretty profound, right? I mean, there's a lot of weight to that letter, and I really want to read what it says. On the other hand, other people that I talk to, they say that they think it's some kind of scam, some long con that I can't see. When I think of stuff like that, I think about, his wife Jess, God bless her. God, she must be under so much stress. I know how my mom is and was when my dad passed away. It's not easy. Said she sent the letter out and it got turned back because I wasn't home to sign for it. Usually a pink slip's left at the home and you go to the post office and you sign for it and you get the letter. It doesn't mean there can't be some kind of confusion there. So I wanted to share that with you. I'll let you know what the letter says when and if it comes. I got a poker tournament to win though. Let's get back to it.
It's good stuff. So I'm going to a poker tournament today. Hey Ryan, buddy, help me win that poker tournament, man. Come on, help me out. I don't know if that's going to do anything, but whatever God's will is God's will. So I got a poker tournament to go to. Let's stop babbling and let's go explore these canyons. What do you guys say? Should we do it? Should we do it? Should we do it? Let's do it! Alright! Let's do it! Woo!
On a warm summer's eve, on a train bound to nowhere, I met up with a gambler. We were both too tired to sleep, so we took turns of staring at the window at the darkness. Boredom overtook us, and he began to speak. He said, son, I made a life out of reading people's faces, knowing what the cards were by the way they held their eyes. So if you don't mind me saying, I can see you're out of aces. For a taste of your whiskey, I'll give you some advice. So I handed him a bottle, and he drank down my last swallow. Then he bummed a cigarette and faded off to sleep. And somewhere in the darkness, if you're gonna learn the game, boy, got to learn to play it right. You got to know when to hold 'em, know when to fold 'em, know when to walk away, know when to run. You never count your money. When you're sitting at the table, there'll be time enough for counting when the dealing's done. Now every gambler knows that the secret to surviving is knowing what to throw away and knowing what to keep. 'Cause every hand's a winner and every hand's a loser, and the best that you can hope for is to die in your sleep. And when he finished speaking, he turned back towards the window, crushed out a cigarette and faded off to sleep. Then somewhere in the darkness, a gambler, he broke even. But in his final words, I found an ace that I could keep. You got to know when to hold 'em, know when to fold 'em, know when to walk away, know when to run. You never count your money. When you're sitting at the table, there'll be time enough for counting when the dealing's done.
You rule, Bob.
Today has been one of the best days ever. Going to Area 51, getting screamed at by sirens to get off the property, rolling into Valley of Fire, which both Bob and I agree was one of the best campsites we've ever stayed at. Just an amazing place to camp. I'm really looking forward to taking Don and Karen out to dinner when we get to Colorado. Speaking of Colorado, Bob and I leave this week to Colorado. Got a huge trip going out there. I'm looking forward to bringing you on that ride with us. But I will be gone. There'll be a little lapse in episodes more than usual because editing Brian will be on the bike. So we'll conclude the Vagabond Vegas tour when I get back from that. Vagabond Vegas tour still has a lot of Bob gets a little more hurt, I get a little more beaten up, but we survive, and there's more of that trip. I'm looking forward to bringing that with you. So we'll get to that soon. But I will miss you, and we'll see you soon. All right. Black Widow almost got Bob right in the butt.
He's going for it again.
He is going right for you.